Hi everybody and welcome back to Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be showing you a pec stretch in a door frame. So this is really helpful for people who find themselves sitting at their desk all the time. Oftentimes their shoulders roll forward, or anybody who might be having a shoulder pain issue. We often find that the shoulders roll forward as well, which makes the muscles of our chest bone tight. So what you want to do is, so the pec muscle, the big one, is kind of like, it's shaped sort of like a fan. So we're going to need to stretch this muscle in different ranges of motion. So you're going to come up to a door frame and you're going to kind of start almost as if your arms are like in a T position. So horizontal, okay? And you're going to just have your arms holding the door frame and you're going to lean forward until you feel a bit of a stretch. You're going to take some nice deep breaths in and exhale. So probably like 3 to 5 breaths or around 30 seconds. Then you're going to lower your arms so it's more like creating a W. And we're going to lean forward again. So you might feel that stretch in a slightly different angle, different area. And again, take 3 to 5 deep breaths in and exhale. And then lastly, I would bring your arms like so that your elbows are right up against the rib cage, and again kind of lean forward. Now you may feel less of a stretch in this range, but we don't want to miss any part of the muscle. And then take some nice deep breaths in and exhale. Good. And you can do this stretch, 1 to 3 times a day, depending on how much of an issue you're having or how much you're sitting at your desk. And if you are having a shoulder pain problem, then make sure you book in your assessment with us so that we can take a look at all of the components that might be contributing to your shoulder pain. Anyways, bye for now.